Hello everybody, welcome back. It is still Tuesday, the 10th of September. We were here in the morning, and when we were here in the morning, the grabber was loaded, but now we can see most of that mess has been cleared and they have the dinosaur chomper on. But we can see the Bond Street sign is still there. It's kind of just stood on its own now. But now we've got the chomper back on. So we're going to stay here for a good, 40 minutes an hour, depends how long we're here for. Once again, we're going to be filming directly into the sun, more or less, but there's nothing I can really do about that. But I'm going to get to this side and see if I can just get a good view without the sun in my eyes. There we go, put the camera there, I think that's better. It's going to be a windy one again because the wind's blowing quite strong. At least today I'm not working, so I'm not going to have to run off after a few minutes. Move over here a bit. If I move onto this side, I can angle the camera slightly, I think. There we go, that's a bit better. That way the wind's not in my face. Oh, it still is, but not as bad. Usually I'd be leaning the camera on the fence now, but it's so flipping windy. The fence is steady. Oh, never mind. I mean, all the skips have gone. They're just dumping now. I guess they're going to do the same thing as what they did yesterday afternoon. Just dump all the stuff they pulled out, big piles at that side, and then tomorrow morning they'll bring the skips again. Where I can just, maybe if I stand on this corner a little bit, that's a bit better, I think. The wind's on my back now, so that might be a bit better. Hopefully we'll see all this side come down tonight, this afternoon. So I have got a while just to stay here because I don't have to run off for work in 10 minutes like I did yesterday. It seems to be grabbing all the metal bits right now to put them in that metal corner. cold today, guys. It's cold and it's so flipping windy. Phone camera seat, yeah. Yes. Hiya.
Finally, with me. Nice to meet you.
I do recognise your face from your videos because I do watch them. I'm with Sarah Jane.
Yeah, I recognise your voice. I've never met you. Never seen you.
From File Coast.
That's it, that's the one.
Do you know, I think us two have been at it the longest for everybody.
Well, you are. You've been at it longer than me.
Pretty much, but I mean, we're like old school. Yeah, we've both been filming a long time, but you have more subs than me.
Yeah. Well, I've been doing websites.
Ah, I see.
12 years before it started.
You don't mind being on, because I'm recording all the time when I'm speaking. You're alright with that?
Yeah, that's
So, I suppose that most people who follow me will watch you as well.
Yeah.
Vice versa. What I do with these is I just film and then say I film for 10 minutes and I'll just chuck the whole thing up without editing so people can watch it
as it happens.
It happens live. That's partly to do with that I don't have any editing software. I have Windows Movie Maker and that's it.
Oh, it's cold.
It is, and that's why I'm stood here because I'm kind of just trying to angle the camera because this camera is so old. I'm just trying, because if the wind blows into there, you can't hear anything.
For a minute. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. See you later. Bye. Always good to meet somebody there. A little bit of a chat. Everything's turned off now for a bit. It looks like it's fixing something on the machine. Let's have a little walk round here. It's down here, guys, just scaffolding. I mean, let's just have a little, well, we've got a lull in what's going on down there. Let's just walk down here. I mean, we're still on the right side of the fence, so we're allowed. Plus the fact people who work in these businesses on this side, this will be their access. So, access, I should say. That's one of those words I struggle with. So yeah. Oh, look, there's houses directly on the side of this building. That final wall on that side, that's connecting actual houses. They're probably going to have to take that down by hand because we've seen that at the Ambassador demolition when you've got the Rutlands attached behind that. And they had to take the bit out bit by bit by bit. Are you turning it on again? I think it's turned on again, guys. It's going back quick. Oh, he's going to get the other grabber now. I see, so he's swapping ends, I think. So we've taken off the chomper. There's people walking around on the top floor there, look. You see. I'm not zooming in because the camera zoom is a little bit on the broken side. It looks like it's getting out. Let's have a little walk around here. I am pretty much fed up with this wind, folks. Yeah, they're putting the grabber on now. They've taken off the chomper. So what I might do is, guys, I just might finish this one off for now. Have a little walk around while they just fix that. And then we'll come back later, shall we? That's the state of everything now. You can see from here that there are basements in this building. We already knew there were basements anyway because we've seen them. Oh, yeah, that's the state of it now. So I'm going to shut this video off because I don't really want to just point the camera at basically nothing. And I will come back later after a walk around and see if there's anything new to film. So for now I shall say goodbye.